Hello, get ready with me to combine Bimbocore and Weirdcore, starting with the makeup. Let's go! I'm making my base really pale with the Joseon Sunscreen Skin Tint, because it's a few shades too light for me, whatever. I put on heavier foundation, the House Labs one, plus some concealer for the blemishes. Now for contour, I'm using the Ritual de Fille Goop in the shade Intuition. It's the perfect cool tone shadow shade for my skin tone. Also defines my dark circles, which you'll see later. Makes everything pop. No concealer on dark circles allowed. Plus, I want to make my nose really defined. I don't mind if that makes it look bigger. I really like my nose. I really like how shapely and uniquely shaped it is. So I am contouring the crap out of my nose and just making it look really prominent and awesome. And watch this. I'm going to use the Intuition Ritual de Fille Goop on my eyes to make my dark circles even more juicy and delicious. I basically just kind of want a sunken dark eye circle look for the base of my makeup. So I'm really going ham with that Ritual de Fille Goop. It's definitely the Your Dark Circles but better shade. So I love that. And I'm using that baby paw brush from Half Magic Beauty there as well, which I think is awesome for a nice blendy. Then I'm going to map out where I want my liner to be, and the liner is going to be a base for the eyelashes, which will be the star of the show, as you can plainly see. So yeah, just using that Blend Bunny Forget Me Not palette for the base of where the Shall We goop is going to go. It's this amazing blendable eyeliner eyeshadow goop. And that'll be the base for these lashes. I'm using these Day of the Dead lashes that I got on TikTok Shop. I have them in my showcase if you're curious about them. I really like the shape and quality of them, so I'm using them kind of as a symmetrical base. Put on a little lip stain while I was waiting for the lash glue to dry, and now I'm putting on the top as well as the bottom base lashes. I could stop there, but I don't want to. These base lashes are really just to make the whole look a little more cohesive and not so helter-skelter, because as you will see later, I am using tons of random scraps to kind of make my own unique cobbled together lash look. But for now, these little symmetrical base ones will be a perfect kind of anchor point for how I want the lashes to sit on my lids. Looking good so far. But I'm going to snip up these 25 mil lashes that I also got on TikTok Shop, also in my showcase, whatever. But basically, I'm using these little scissors to just snip them into little pieces. I never wear 25 millimeter straight out of the box because I find it just makes me look so 2020 alt girl with 10,000 followers on TikTok. I hate that shit. So basically, I'm cutting it up, putting it on my lash line in strategic places. I tend to like to focus the length of the lashes on the center or inner corner of my eye. It's just unique. I mean, not a lot of people do it that way, so I really like the way it looks. And it also makes my eyes a little more downturned, which I do love too. So again, I'm snipping these into pieces, placing them over the base bottom lashes and the base top lashes. Definitely a lot of like snipping, measuring, looking for things that are in my makeup drawer. That's just how it goes. But yeah, I definitely want to use a different style of lash for some extra drama. So I'm picking up this lash and I'm also going to be cutting it into various pieces of various lengths. And as you can see, I'm kind of like laying it out on my leg and trying to figure out like what is best to put where. I just want things to be semi-symmetrical, but it's not that big a deal. And of course, I have to painstakingly save the lash clusters that I didn't use in this disgusting little Keroppi tin that I keep in my makeup drawer. That lip gloss you see there is Patrick Ta Malibu Barbie, and the blush on my cheeks is also Patrick Ta Malibu Barbie collection. Love the shade. It's so dramatic and fun. Off camera, I also decided to do a little unibrow with a Sosha Beauty liner pen. I don't love that particular eyeliner on my eyes for whatever reason, but I think it makes a fantastic unibrow individual hair drawer. So love, love, love that. That is also in my TikTok shop showcase, whatever thingy. I'm gonna do a tutorial about how to do that unibrow at some point. But anyway, I hope you like this look and I hope you try it. Bye!